Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Koorui Monitor No sound problem. If you want to fix the problem of your Koorui monitor, you have three options for that. First, check connections. Cable connection. Ensure the audio cable, usually HDMI, is securely connected to both your monitor and the audio source device, like computer and gaming console. Audio source. Verify that the audio source device is producing sound. Play a video or audio file to confirm. In the second option, monitor settings. Audio output. Check the monitor setting to ensure the audio output is enabled and set to the correct source. Example HDMI. Volume. Verify that the monitor's volume is not muted or set to low. In the third option, computer settings. Default audio device. In your computer sound setting, make sure the Koorui monitor is selected as the default playback device. Driver updates. Ensure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit your computer manufacturer website to download the latest drivers. And if you have still the problem, then connect the official support team of Koorui Monitor. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.